Hey, look, Jeff. You wanted to meet Jeff? Here he is. Hey, what's up? You know, she always says she wants to meet.
Yes, very good. Yes.
How are you, Jeff? Oh, good, good. We walk around, make a little video. How are you?
Evening, guys. Just working on one down here on the beach.
What's up? What's up there?
Not much.
Not much, huh?
New Year's getting to be busy down here on the beach, all right?
Oh, okay. Cool.
Are you making out okay? You traveling any or?
Yeah, I've been to Vietnam. I made my DTV visa finally.
Oh, you did get it, right?
Yeah, I got it. I paid 70,000 baht for it, all in all. Crazy.
I know.
It's a difficult month now, but at least finally I got it. And now I can stay.
Got a home now, huh?
Oh, yeah. So
Here,
happy.
Bangkok or here? You guys live in Bangkok much? Or?
No. We went to Bangkok for a few days or 5 days or something. We stayed in a nice hotel just to get out a little bit. And now we're here. And Kimmy is, she's studying nurse and she lives in Suphanburi. This is like 5-6 hours from here. Yeah. How's your channel doing? Better, huh?
It's going, yeah. Plugging along. Keep me busy. Gives me something to do.
Cool. It was nice to meet you, Jeff.
Yeah, good
Once
to see
again.
you around. I was surprised I haven't seen you. And good to meet you too.
We're happy
Bye,
to
Jeff.
see you. Good lucky. Oh my God.
Now you see Jeff.
Jing, you just normal.
Yeah, he's normal.
You don't really good.
He's a local superstar.
Yeah, look superstar, but he look not he good at. He say normal.
He's a good man. He has a good heart.
I buy something food for Christmas, but not staying here now.
It's 54. Oh, they marry, huh?
Oh my God!
Oh, marriage.
Yeah. Oh, I never seen you marry long time in my life.
Yeah, they have beautiful flowers. Yeah. Very nice. Really nice.
Yesterday I not see this. Why now she today?
Yeah. Not every day have marriage. Cool, huh?
Maybe we have to sing.
I need a Galaxy Ultra with the 100X.
Okay, my look too good.
Oh, that's your horse?
Yeah, small. Hey, he remember me?
Is he? Yeah, I see.
Yeah, he look. Garfield.
That's Garfield, yeah.
Yeah.
That's Kim's favorite horse. Oh, no, thank you.
ขี่ได้ครับไปเปล่าเอาวันนี้มาด้วยเอามาเลยขี่เลยครับ Yeah today
You say me right?
today
Today. Garfield. วันนี้มีโบด้วย
ไปเลยวันนี้น้ำลงด้วยครับวันนี้กลับแล้วเนี่ย
Sure.
You want to do something good hot?
Eat. Give you. You give. I think you know eat.
Slowly eat.
เรื่อยๆเร็ว
No, you know.
ช้า
Slow ช้าโอ้ยเหนื่อยเลยดิวิ่งมา
She alone. She alone. Kim. She alone go on beach. She not scared, eh? You see? She alone go, not scared, nothing. She go. Look how far she is. Look, no one there. No one is there.
No.
She alone. Ching ching, look.
Yeah, no, she's so small.
Look now, come back.
No. Hey, good. Chinese, not scare everything.
Chinese rule the world now.
Oh, good. How?
The fuck? Look at this. No problem. Yeah.
Oh my god, everything together happens. So I like to go shower. Okay, now. Oh, okay, go up. Ah, yeah. That's good.
I also want one.
You want it?
I want a bird.